We got a few coaches, but the overflow car park's not open. Hopefully we can have a good day. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're back at Thorpe Park, guys. We've just been to Chessington.
It's working, it's working!
It's working? What?
It's working. No, it's just gone over.
Oh, that's a weird intro to the vlog there. Sorry, guys. Yeah, we didn't see Hyperia go over, unfortunately. We saw every other ride, but she's just in it going. So you can see the excitement there.
Sorry, I forgot to say that Hyperia's open.
Sorry, that was a really random one. But yeah, as I say previously, guys, we've just been to Chessington for a few updates. We've come down to Thorpe Park for a bit. It's been a little while. You might not have seen me go to a few theme parks recently because I hurt my foot and I've had an ear infection, so I'm feeling a little bit better now. But as we say, guys, the overflow car park there isn't full. There's no cars on the grass, so hopefully for the next couple of weeks, Thorpe Park and Alton Tower shouldn't be too bad, and then it's going to get really busy for summer. We've already lost Chessington, as we saw there earlier. They're mad with me because I took too long in the toilet. I just destroyed that toilet. You all know what I was doing? Well, what I was doing was Taco Bell.
I'm scared.
I still don't like that. What do you think of it, the AI there?
I don't like the wings.
You don't like the wings?
I like the in-between.
The rest of it looks alright.
The in-betweeners reference there, yeah. I miss the screen. I like the screen with the music playing at the entrance. It doesn't feel as lively, does it? Never done the water sports. Oh, there he goes. That looks quite cool, to be fair. Maybe I'll do it one day. Anyway, guys, here we go, Thorpe Park. It's been a couple of weeks. I didn't vlog last time I was here and I regretted it because we actually had a really good time. Hyperia there. Jacob excited for Hyperia as always.
Yeah.
Yay, side gates open. So I don't get hundreds of comments about who's following us. This is my cousin Saffron, guys. That's the scary lady there. Also, whilst we're doing this, I just want to remind everybody that Jacob's my brother because a lot of people think you're my son, don't they?
Some people think that you're his boyfriend.
We're not too sure if they're going to do anything with Saw Alive. We haven't heard anything. It's just sitting there rotting, slowly sinking, belonging to the pigeons now. Over here, as you can see, preparations for Fright Nights have begun. This is usually Morecambe Meadow where the crows reside. Now, I'm not going to lie, guys, I'm a little bit disappointed with Fright Nights this year. They cancelled the Carnival event, they cancelled Mardi Gras, they cancelled Oktoberfest. So I really thought there was going to be a lot of money and effort put into Fright Nights this year, but apparently all we're getting is a new scare zone. They took away Death's Doors, didn't they? So they haven't really added much else. So hopefully it's going to be good. Yeah, Merlin budget. I wouldn't blame Thorpe Park, it's Merlin's budgets, obviously. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, Fright Nights is always good. If you've never been before, make sure you come down because it is amazing. But if you come every year like we do, it might just be a little bit sameish this year.
Can get a bit stale.
Yeah, this is it. Saw the ride, currently on 40 minutes. Not too bad for summer. You know where we're heading though. Samurai is broken yet again. One of the most unreliable flat rides in the UK at the moment. Oh no, guys, I don't think we're in luck today, I'm afraid. It looks extremely busy. The cattle pen's pretty much full there. It is summer. It says it's only a 50-minute queue, which, I mean, I'd say it's a little bit longer than that. Operations look like they're on point today though. Oh, that's pretty crazy there. So the crowd calendar is currently on 52% today, guys, and we've got about 1 or 2 weeks before it starts creeping up to a really high volume for the summer. So this is the best it's going to get at the moment, isn't it? And it's still busy, unfortunately. So if you do come, guys, make sure you get here early, make sure you plan your rides, and hopefully single rider's not too bad. So let's go and have a look. Look at how we're looking. Oh, it's not terrible, but it's not great, unfortunately. There we go, Hyperia flying across it. We've got to do it though, you know, it's not Thorpe Park without Hyperia, is it? Jacob's saying it hurts there. Yeah. Ride access past queue quite big. Single rider's the longest we've seen it for a while, guys. I thought there'd be a couple of weeks before it started getting really busy again, but yeah, I think we're going straight into summer with Thorpe Park. Maybe we'll have to test out Alton Towers soon, but it's painful today. We're nearly there. Yeah. It's quite painful today, isn't it? Jacob's stropping, guys, because we haven't seen it this busy for ages, have we? Yeah, I got row 2. What did you get? I know we say it all the time, guys, but I absolutely love Hyperia. It's so nice to have a world-class coaster just down the road, isn't it? I mean, the closest we used to have to go was all the way to Europa Park for a decent hyper as well, Silver Star. They're pretty crazy. But now it's nice having it down the road. I got row 2 that time. It was a little bit, well, I wouldn't say shaky. It's really windy today, isn't it?
Yeah,
you got row 9 there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Lucky. What did you get, number 5?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
The kid sat next to me was judging me. He was like,
Oh, no. What is it? No.
no, he was talking to his friend in front, and they were like just staring at each other and looking at me like,
Scary lady.
guys, I'm normal.
I think we're gonna go to stealth now, guys, because it is quite busy, isn't it?
It's not too bad again though.
I've seen a few things on Facebook. Apparently, they've been sort of sprucing up trailers there, but it's really lived its day, hasn't it? It's been here way too long, unfortunately. They freshened it up. Yeah, I mean, even if they do add a new scene, it always feels the same, really, doesn't it? Unfortunately. As I say, guys, a little bit disappointed with Fright Nights this year. I really hope it's good though. Wow, guys, you know it's busy when Mr. Monkey's Banana Ride has a full boat. That's something you don't see every day. That's crazy. Still only 5 minutes apparently, but says 30 minutes for Inferno there, but the queue's coming all the way back out of the cattle pen, so I don't think that's accurate, I'm afraid. I will say it quite a lot in the vlog today, guys. As I say, Thorpe Park is very busy. It's starting to get busy again now. The crowd calendar today was at 52%, as I've already said, which was actually the shortest day up until September. We've been made aware also that apparently Wrap is completely fully booked now until September, so it's back to busy Thorpe Park, I'm afraid. I'm not too sure how much we'll be down here because obviously we have Merlin passes and we're enthusiasts, so we like to come at the right times, but summer, it's just a bit of a free-for-all, isn't it?
So whatever day you go on, this is going to be busy.
Yeah, this is it. I say, I've seen a lot of people saying Towers is dead at the moment, so we might try and get out there, we'll see.
Yeah.
Even if it's busy though, guys, stealth is usually a saving grace with its super speedy operations. 20 minutes there, just went up 5 minutes. It was 15 when we arrived, but we'll go and have a look. Oh, even stealth, guys, this is pretty crazy. I think it's about half an hour. Oh, nice and noisy there. Yeah, it said 20 there, I reckon about half an hour. Still quite a few people marching into the queue. Yeah, this is definitely the longest I've waited for a while. So we're actually putting up the queue times on the app, guys. We never do that, but it is quite busy, as I say, so Samurai close, Hyperia 55. I don't think these are a true reflections, unfortunately, today, though. It looks a little bit more busier than what they are saying here. Smoke back on stealth. We haven't seen that for a little while, have we, there? Time to get deafened. This queue always flies, guys. This one I think they overestimated. It definitely wasn't half an hour, was it? It feels like you're overparked with this queue.
Three, 2, 1, go, go, go!
So you're really enjoying stealth this year?
Yeah, it's running really good.
In summer, guys, this thing just runs insane, doesn't it?
So intense.
It's quite windy at the top today, though, so I thought we were going to get a roll back there. It really slowed down, and I was like, oh!
It
But
always
no, it
slows
went
down
over.
at the top.
No, not like that, though. That was really slow today. Saffron thought she was going to lose her eyelash there.
I saw my eyelash go backwards, so I thought it fell off.
That would have been funny. She might have caused us a rollback. Yeah. So we met a random here. There you go. He's in the video. Even Dobble's got a queue. No. Jacob's saying there that he really underrates stealth there.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, I got some sort of bug on my hand. Ugh. Sorry. Random. Oh, I'll leave that in. So we're going to try Rumba now, guys. It says it's only got a 20-minute queue. You haven't done it this season, have you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Just wait with the fairies.
Sorry.
Well, I don't know if I believe the queue time there, guys. 15 minutes. This is quite far back. You don't know if you can be bothered for Rumba. So yeah, we're going to give that one a miss there, aren't we?
Yeah.
I mean,
we haven't done Inferno.
We haven't done Inferno for ages, Jacob says there, but it said it was half an hour, and then the queue was coming out of the cattle pen. So they're being a bit.
They always stack on Inferno.
They're being a bit dodgy
They
with the
always stack,
queue times
right.
today, aren't they? We don't usually get that at Thorpe. That's quite a strange one. Underestimating queue times. We prefer overestimating, don't we?
They underestimated on stealth.
Yeah, overestimated on stealth.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Got a big queue, you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't done it for a while. 40 minutes apparently there, but I mean, it takes about half an hour from the volcano, doesn't it? And then you've got that cattle pen there, and then it comes out around here, so Jacob wants pizza master bad.
I want to go on to Towers.
All Towers. I don't know, we might go Towers tomorrow, I'm not sure.
Passing today, that means no more Towers tomorrow.
I don't know. I'm not rich at the moment, I'm afraid, Jacob.
Yeah.
You can smell it though, he wants it. You're gonna have a strop if we don't, are you? Jacob's obsession. We haven't been here for ages, have we? Because we don't usually go when it's hot, but it's quite cool today. It's looking quite good. Obviously, pizza pasta is a lot better when it's really busy, guys, because all the food's fresh. They've got a really good deal at the moment. Apparently, if you come after 3, you get a bit of money off. We've got the Merlin Gold Pass there. So for me and Jacob, it looks like it was 23.33 there. So it's not bad at all, is it? Oh, it's raining. After being in pizza pasta, guys, you come outside and it's blinding, isn't it? Because it's so dark in there.
It's alright today.
It's alright today, as Jacob says. You like your pizza pasta, don't you? He's a bit obsessed there. So looking at the receipt,
The pizzas weren't Asda pizzas. So.
you don't like the pizzas.
No.
They changed them a little while ago, because we go so much, he knows all about it.
Yeah.
We got Detonator closed over there, unfortunately. But anyway, as I say, guys, I looked at the receipt and it said it was actually £14 each. So that's really not too bad. It's not bad though, is it? After 3 o'clock.
Great value out of that.
I mean, you get unlimited drinks and unlimited food. I mean, if you go over there and get a kebab or something, it's probably like 14 quid with a drink. So you can't really complain, can you? I mean, I know it's summer, but 45 minutes for tidal wave when it's like this. Jacob's still going on about pizza pasta there. What do you say?
I think Chesterton's and Legoland are still better.
Chesterton and Legoland's
I haven't
better.
had Towers for a while.
Don't be dissing the home park.
I haven't had Towers for a while though. Might have been in October.
Oh, I'm stuffed. You don't like Walking Dead, do you?
No. Really, I want X back.
You want X back?
Yeah,
I do miss it. I mean, X No Way Out, not X. Wait, it was X No Way Out was backwards,
my
wasn't it?
first roller coaster.
And then it was X. What do you say?
X was my first roller coaster.
X was your first roller coaster.
If you count it as a roller coaster.
Well, yeah, it's an indoor one.
Then yeah, that was my first roller coaster.
But yeah, X No Way Out was a lot better, guys, when it went backwards. But there's not really a massive queue for Walking Dead, to be fair. Walking Dead pretty good there. I think they got some new lights at the end there.
Yeah.
It was really stroby today. And obviously they got the actors back, so they should be here to stay for summer. So we're going back to Hyperia now because Jacob is obsessed.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll decide whether or not I'm going to go on it when we get there because the single rider was quite long earlier. Hyperia, of course, still extremely busy. They're saying an hour queue, but we know that's not right, don't we? We've been here so... Wait, you think that is?
What?
I don't know. 60 minutes and the cattle pen's full. I reckon that's about 2 hours.
No, I wouldn't say that.
You wouldn't say that? Oh, I don't know.
A single ride.
I don't know. I can't really see it from here. We'll have a little look. Okay, let's go. Single rider to the rescue. That's a little bit more like it. That was your row 9.
We got row 10.
Oh, you got row 10 that time. Jacob's getting lucky.
Lucky today.
Yeah, that's not fair, aren't you?
I think you might have people waiting for you.
Wait, we're getting stalked today, guys.
Amazing though.
That ride is amazing. I got row 2 the first time, which wasn't too bad, but row 4, guys, absolutely brutal.
Yeah, row 4 is the most rough.
Yeah, that was a tough one. 45 minutes, it's not too bad there. Cattle pen's empty now. Getting a bit quieter towards the end of the day, isn't it? I'm sceptical. I don't think it will be 15, but if it is, we got to give it a go. I haven't done it with a little smoke effect yet. Okay, it's actually less than 15 minutes. That's crazy. You never see this on Colossus. I said I wouldn't do this again, but I don't know, here I am. If you get a seat with the flat floor, it's really not that bad, but if you get the floor that bends up, it just hurts your legs, and I absolutely hate it. This is going to hurt, you say?
Yeah,
back row Colossus. I haven't done it with the new smoke effect, as I say. We got lucky there, guys, because on the back of each carriage, you get the flat floor. If you get the front one there, it bends up, and it really does squash your legs. It's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
That did hurt you a little bit, you say?
Yeah.
Back row Colossus hurts, guys. It does rattle. Going into the Cobra row, I felt like I got boxed there.
I know how to ride it though, to stop the head banging, but yeah, you can really feel a rattle on there though.
With what I was saying about when you sit at the back of the trains, you have the flat floor. That's all well, so it doesn't squash your legs, but it really does get your balls, doesn't it?
I didn't find that.
I did. Yeah, no, I don't know.
My restraint was quite loose there.
Your restraint was quite loose there. We've seen the little smoke effect now. We've finally been on it with that. Now I don't have to go on it again for another 3 years. Jacob just saying there, we don't usually use single rider on it. We never usually go on this, do we? Saffron likes it there, don't you? She says.
Yeah, because I'm always by myself while you lot are on Hyperia.
This is true, and you say the single rider is really good. I don't know. We've never really. We might. I mean, saw after Colossus. That's a sorry, a concoction for a headache. There was what I was supposed to say. There's nobody in it. So is that walk on?
Huh?
Is that walk on then?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Better than half 35 minutes, whatever it is over there.
It's kind of awful.
They fixed the screen. Saw was not fun.
No, I enjoyed Colossus more. Single rider was quick there.
Single rider very quick there, as Jacob says. Yeah, no, that was really, yeah, so you've done it, Saffron's done it quite a few times there. Pretty much straight in the station, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know if it was worth it though, because I mean that
was painful.
That was painful. I was at the front there, front left.
Even at the back. Even at the back on the left.
You like it?
The outside seat on the left, it was
Me and my
horrible.
thought out.
I think it's the most scary ride in the park because it's just terrifying. You know, it hurts,
Yeah, and the
doesn't it?
vertical lift tool
You
as
really
well.
have to brace yourself. Jacob's waiting for Hyperia there. Single rider's a little bit too long for me. I'm quite impatient. Ghost train. Don't really do this often. We might lose you in there. They might think you're one of the nuns. Jacob's at Hyperia. I can't be bothered though. I think Saw and Colossus have killed me.
They may stare.
Okay, maybe not, maybe not. Swarm apparently rocking a 5-minute queue on the app, so we might as well go check it. Oh my god, no way, is the mist on? That hasn't worked for ages. Check that out. Wait, they got the app. Wait, what is going on here? Mist coming out the back of the fire engine and the side. Oh my gosh, what's going on? No fire effect. We got the old song playing, not the Yumi at 6 playing, and even the helicopter's blades are actually spinning. It looks like the water effect's still off there and the pool hasn't been filled up, but that's crazy. 5 minutes, fair enough, can't complain. Front left, gotta be done. You haven't been on this for ages, have you? Swarm running great there, guys. As I keep saying, it runs so well in summer. That front left seat is just awesome. So Jacob's still at Hyperia. I think I've had enough Hyperia for today. After Swarm and Colossus there, I died a little bit. So we're going to go on depth charge. We don't usually do depth charge. You haven't done it for years, have you?
I think I've done it once.
You've done it
Out
once.
of all the times I've come to Thorpe Park.
The queue's not too bad. You say you don't like the heights.
No, I don't like walking heights. I like roller coaster heights, just not walking.
What's Bro doing? That was my boat there, guys. I don't know why it skidded so far. I was on the end slide there, and on the first bump I went flying. I thought it was going to come off. I got really worried. So that brings me to the end, guys. Jacob and Saffron have gone back for a few re-rides there. I'm just going to jump in my car and catch up on some editing because I might go to Alton Towers tomorrow, so I definitely need some sleep tonight. Anyway, guys, there's a few updates around the park as you've seen. It was really busy in the morning, but if you wait till sort of later in the day, the last couple of hours, it's nice and dead. You know, we've had barely any queues there, as you've just seen, and I'm sure Jacob's got a couple more rides on Hyperia. So if you did enjoy today's video, guys, don't forget hitting that subscribe button. Really helps us out, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out, and don't worry, it's not the end, there's more videos here.